Hello everyone. Anybody who's followed my channel knows I've been on a mission to pick as many as many Oxford disc locks as possible. So this is one of Oxford's top, like one of the top products Oxford does. They say in their advertisement that the cylinder in this is virtually pick proof, because it's got like the Abloy profile. I'll just show you how it works. Like, obviously you would switch that to turn that in there, and that would arm it, but I can't arm it in case I set it off because my daughter's asleep, so I'll just lock it. And that is your profile, the Abloy profile one, and it's very tight in there. So anyway, I've made a tool. Well, I had to make another tool because I can't find the other tool, but this is what I used. I used the Oxford key off another lock I picked before, one of these ones. I haven't picked this one, it was one of them ones. I might try and pick that one next. Yeah, I picked one of them ages ago, and I used that key bit for the tension. You've got to put a slit in, because obviously that round bit there, if you don't put the slit in the key, so that round bit there, it will be tight. That there, the picking tip will be dead tight, so the groove helps it slide in and out, and obviously you've got to thin the picking tip right down, so it's a bit like that Abloy classic picking tip but much tinier. So anyway, first things first, we'll zero it out and see if we get this thing picked. I have picked this, I picked it just before I put the camera on there. Like I say, making this little picking tip takes ages. It really does take ages. And then make sure it's tight and get me picking tip in there. Make sure you get the first disc on there so you'll not get the tension you desire for the picking. I think that is the one, so we'll start at the bottom, the one number 7, the 0 cut. Just making sure. Nice click there. The picking tip is stuck. Now out. Nice click there. Put a bit more tension on there. Like I see, I've took all the black stuff off there because it was coming away anyway, and plus when I'm watching a movie on a night time and it's dark, and now I'm picking locks with false gates in and that I can't see, you know what I mean? So now I've took that off and I've just polished it a bit better, because obviously it'll make it more smoother. It's much better, but alright, a bit moving in the core there. I mean, I want to make sure that's on the first one, or this one will not work. It is, it's on the first one. So let's go through it again. Light tension's the best thing for this, and you feel the discs better actually get it. Just need to give you balance, and that's a disc. Let's get there. Alright. Get your tension spot on. My tension is not right yet. So after this Oxford, the next one up from this one is the Oxford Beast, the big massive one. I'd love to have a shot at one of them to see if I can pick it from the top. Right, I think I'm just looking for one disc. Check that one. Right, I feel like they're all in the gate. I'm gonna check it. Alright, let's come out. Let's put that back in there. I think we should be close to an open, like. Nice click there, so I'm after them kind of clicks. Nice click there. It's in a gate. It's in a gate. Let's try number 7. Number 7's a Nord cut, so I'll just put that one back there. One's in a gate. So the next one. Nice click there. There we go, it's open, got it, we got it. Took a while, like the first time I picked it was pretty quick like, but it's always the same when you get the camera on. There you go, Oxford, tell you what it is, we'll have a shot with that other one. I haven't picked that other one, so I'll give that one a shot. So, like I've said before, a lot of these Oxfords have got Nord cuts at the top. Here's an example here. I'll show you there. See it? Nord cut and Nord cut at the bottom. A lot of them's like that. Then we've got this one here, this little Oxford one. I picked one of these before, but it didn't have all the stickers or classy on it. And this one has got the Nord on the top as well, if you see. So that tail I've made there probably will pop most of these open. So if we're not sure it's all working, make sure it's all legit. There we go. Right, zero them out, you can see it. Upright profile key. The Oxford reckon these are virtually pick proof. We'll soon see. Right, let's give this one a crack there. Might as well, I've got a bit of time to burn. Just get me pick and tip on that first there, starting at the bottom. Yeah. I don't think I'm on the first disc because my feedback doesn't feel that good. That's why it's essential to make sure you're on that first disc. Just click there on number 7. Nice click there. Oops. A bit of movement on the core. So one of these two, it's going to give us it. There we go. Is it? There we go, got it. They're really stupidly easy, these, like. I think Oxford needs to put some false gates or something, because I could market this turn to probably pop all these Oxford open. It's just crazy how a simple little idea like that. That is Oxford key carved out and an injector pin. What does that all cost? Just a couple hours of fun making it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. See you later. Ta-ra.